If you're facing a billing hold on your Shopify account, it can prevent you from accessing certain features. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin panel by entering your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with the billing hold. Step 2. Check billing information. Navigate to the settings section and select billing. Review your billing information for any inaccuracies or outdated details that may be causing the hold. Step 3. Update payment method. If your payment method is expired or invalid, update it with a current credit card or payment option. Ensure that all required fields are filled out correctly. Step 4. Resolve outstanding charges. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact Shopify support. If the hold persists after updating your information and settling charges, reach out to Shopify support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Shopify account quickly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Shopify's customer support.